Stopping Python using ctrl+c. I have a Python script that uses threads and makes lots of HTTP requests. I think what's happening is that while a HTTP request, using ctrl+2, is reading, it's blocking and not responding to ctrl+c to stop the program. Is there any way around this?
On Windows, the only sure way is to use ctrl+break. Stops every Python script instantly. Note that on some keyboards, break is labeled as pause.
Pressing ctrl+c while a Python program is running will cause Python to raise a keyboard interrupt exception. It's likely that a program that makes lots of HTTP requests will have lots of exception handling code. If the except part of the try except block doesn't specify which exceptions it should catch, it will catch all exceptions including the keyboard interrupt that you just caused. A properly coded Python program will make use of the Python exception hierarchy and only catch exceptions that are derived from exception. If you can't change the code, or need to kill the program so that your changes will take effect, then you can try pressing ctrl+c rapidly. The first of the keyboard interrupt exceptions will knock your program out of the try block, and hopefully one of the later keyboard interrupt exceptions will be raised when the program is outside of the try block.
If it is running in the Python shell, use ctrl+z, otherwise locate the Python process and kill it.
The interrupt process is hardware and OS dependent, so you will have very different behavior depending on where you run your Python script. For example, on Windows machines we have ctrl+c, cgint, and ctrl+break, cgbreak. So while cgint is present on all systems and can be handled and caught, the cgbreak signal is Windows specific, and can be disabled in config.sys, and is really handled by the BIOS as an interrupt vector int1bh, which is why this key is much more powerful than any other. So if you're using some Nix flavored OS, you will get different results depending on the implementation, since that signal is not present there, but others are. In Linux you can check what signals are available to you by So if you want to catch the ctrl+break signal on a Linux system, you'll have to check to what POSIX signal they have mapped that key. Popular mappings are In fact, many more functions are available under Linux, where the sysrc, system request, key can take on a life of its own.